running us $350 a month.
Wow.
And now that the new windows are installed, our electric bill has gone down significantly.
Become the expert on window replacements by watching videos, reading articles, and comparing products here on 912homeworks.com. Next, use our instant calculator to find out what your home's best investment will cost, with the option of having one of our estimators at your home in as little as 24 hours. Lastly, enjoy your beautiful new windows and doors backed by the industry's best lifetime warranties and installed by the best window and door specialist the 912 area has to offer. Click today, start tomorrow.